Got these beef ribs. First thing you do is you remove the membrane in the back of them. This is what they should look like after you move the membrane. Then you throw on some yellow mustard. That's your binder. Then what I also like to do, my little secret ingredient, Crybaby Craig's hot sauce. Douse a little bit of that on there. Rub it around. Smack a little bit. I threw one of my secret seasoning in there, but I also like to use Justin Sutherland's rib rub. You throw that on your grill and let it smoke for 3 hours. You gotta spritz them a little bit so they stay moist. Then you wrap them. After your ribs smoke for another 2 hours in the wrap, you take them out of the wrap and you put your favorite barbecue sauce and throw them on the grill. I forgot to take video of this because I just happened to cut my finger. Yeah, I had to go to the urgent care and yeah, they wanted stitches on my finger. So yeah, don't cut your finger when making things, please and thank you. Be safe.